Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your assets around, like withdrawing BNB from Kraken to Gemini. Today, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, making it simple, secure, and straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you avoid common pitfalls and get your funds where they need to go. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Gemini. Double check that your Gemini wallet is ready to receive BNB. That means you have the correct wallet address handy and you've enabled withdrawals if needed. Security is key in crypto, so always use two-factor authentication on both platforms. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. Look for your BNB balance and select the withdrawal option. Kraken might ask you to verify your identity or set up a withdrawal if it's your first time. This is normal and helps protect your assets. Next, enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to select BNB as the asset, then paste in your Gemini wallet address. Be extremely careful here. Double-check the address to avoid sending your funds to the wrong place, which could mean they're lost forever. Also, keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, blockchain fees for BNB might vary based on congestion, so choose the BNB Smart Chain or whatever network you're using on Gemini. After you've confirmed the amount and details, review everything one last time and hit submit. Kraken will process the withdrawal, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's sent, switch over to your Gemini account. Go to your wallet section and refresh it to see if the BNB has arrived. If everything checks out, you're good to go. Remember, always monitor your transactions and keep your devices secured to prevent any hacks. There you have it. Withdrawing BNB from Kraken to Gemini in 2025 is easier than you think, as long as you're cautious. If you run into any issues, check the help sections on both exchanges or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.